When choosing pavers for your patio, there are several things to consider. First, you need to decide what kind of stone you want. Common choices include concrete, brick, and stone. Each has its own unique look and feel, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your personal style. Size and shape. Pavers come in a variety of sizes and shapes, so you'll want to choose ones that fit the dimensions of your outdoor space. If you're not sure what size or shape to choose, a professional can help you out. Color and style. There is an endless range of color and style options when it comes to patio pavers. The type of paver you choose, you'll want to choose something that complements the overall look of your home. If you're not sure what color or style would work best, there are plenty of online resources to help you out. For any of your paver installation projects, you can contact our team at Reno Pavers and Patios Installations. Spruce up your outdoor living spaces and take advantage of pavers stone. We can help you choose to the array of patterns that will match property. Hire us and you'll get the benefits of paver installations to your projects.